Hello and welcome back to 100 coding challenges in C#. This is episode 22 and it's called Two Ranges. In this challenge we're going to ask the user to input a number between either 1 and 10 or between 100 and 20. We will then display a message to confirm whether they have entered in a good number or a bad number. If you'd like to attempt the challenge yourself, then pause the video now. Let's begin. So to start off with, let's ask the user to input a number. So let's say enter a between 1 and 10 or between 100 and 120. We'll then take in that number and store it into a variable called number. So int number equals convert to int 32, convert to int 32, and then within that we'll do a console.readline, taking their input, convert it into an integer and store it into the number variable. And then, so there's two ways of actually doing this. We'll look at both ways. So to start off with, let's create an if statement, and we say if number is greater or equal to 1 and 2 ampersands, number is less or equal to 10, then let's say that's a good number. Let's just say good. So here we're saying if number is greater or equal to 1, that condition, and also number is less than or equal to 10, then we will output good. And then we can also add in an else if here. Else if number is greater or equal to 100 and number is less or equals to 120, then this is also good. Otherwise, let's say this is bad. Okay, so let's run that and see our results. So down here, so let's say it's 50. It will say it's bad. Let's run that again, and let's say 5. That's good. Let's run again and do 100. Remember, 100 is still good because it's inclusive of 100 and 120 because we're saying greater than or equals to. So that's one way of doing it. The other way of doing this is we can get rid of this else if, and what we can do is put this into the first if condition. So if we take that out, get rid of this, what we can also do here is say or, so this is 2 pipes, and then we can have another condition which can also be met to fall into this if statement. So what we're basically saying now is if this is greater than 1 and less than 10, then we can go in, or if it's greater than 100 and less than 120, then we can go in also. So let's run that and see the code change. So let's do 5 again. That's good. Let's do 120 this time. That's also good. And let's do something in between, like 75. That's bad. There you go. I hope you enjoyed this one. Nice and simple. If you enjoyed it, then make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel to keep getting updates when I upload new videos. Turn on the notification as well, as I'll be uploading at least once a week. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.